Hello, Dr. Julie here. We're going over the Piriformis stretch rehab. So the first thing I would do is use your foam roller to sit on it, and you're going to roll over that muscle. Now the Piriformis muscle is in your butt, okay? Its action is external hip rotation. So it brings the knee out and a little, it brings that knee out. So it's right, your sacrum, right, is right here. That's your tailbone. And then your leg is here. That muscle attaches the two. Okay, so it's going right here. And your sciatic nerve runs either through it or on top of it. And it goes down the leg. So if you have leg pain, this is what you need to do if it's sciatic nerve pain. So first you're gonna have a seat on this, and you're just gonna put some blood flow to that muscle first. So have a seat. I'm gonna turn, if it's my right side that I'm having problems with, do both, but this is the one I'm working now. Turn a little bit to the side, okay? Roll all the way up to the top of the hip bone and down to the butt bone. Stop on the part that feels the most tender. You can just kind of hold it. You can go side to side there. If you need an more intense stretch, bring this knee up like this and kind of roll back a little bit, okay? See how I'm supporting myself with that foot on the ground and this arm right here, okay? And that's the Piriformis foam roll. And then after I got that nice and warmed up, do about a minute per muscle, okay? Then I put this to the side, and I'm going to stretch that muscle. So you can do this a few different ways. You can lay on your back. You can cross this ankle over and just kind of hold that. If that's enough of a stretch for you, okay. Or you can grab this leg through. Use your elbow to push that knee out. Keep the back flat. Don't raise your hand or your head. Hold that 40 seconds, okay? The other one is grab the knee, pull it as close as you can to your chest as your body will allow. While you're relaxed, bring that over diagonally, cross like to your armpit, and hold that till you feel a nice stretch. The other way is pigeon pose, okay? So I'm stretching this one again. I can sit in a swastika like this, okay? I don't need to go into a full-on split like that, but if you want to, you can, okay? It's all about this muscle in the butt here on my right side. So I'm gonna grow tall, and I'm gonna go flat back over until I feel a gentle stretch. And again, holding that for 40 seconds, okay? Every stretch, 40-second hold. If you can go further, okay?